Hello friends, this is Sriram and I welcome you to the very first video of beginner's tutorial for front-end developers. In this video, we will learn what HTML is all about. So without further ado, let's get started. So here I open my favorite code editor, that is Visual Studio Code, and during this entire video course I will be creating files in beginner tutorials which I will later share with you the github repo of. So let's create our file first HTML file. I name it hello world dot html as usual. So let's learn by coding in step by step way what HTML is all about, what are its building blocks, what purpose it serves, and like how to create your first HTML page using tags. So, friends, HTML literally stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It was created by Sir Tim Berners-Lee in late 1991. It got published officially in 1995 as HTML 2.0. So HTML is basically building block of today's web. So generally we see many web pages around us, like there is facebook.com, twitter.com, or even any newspaper website. So they are all made up of HTML. So HTML is around all of us. So it is generally used to display and structure the information to be presented to the end user. So HTML document is mainly accessed via web browsers, and it tells browser how to display the uh, like contents. The documents are they're generally made up of various tags, and let's get started what those tags are. So generally, first of all, while your documentation HTML page is being started, you have to declare its doc type like this. So its doc type is HTML. So all the HTML documents must start with this doc type declaration. So this doc type informs browser about the kind of document it can expect. In HTML5, this declaration has become so simple. Previously, we had to declare DTD definitions and namespaces if required. So here, point to remember is this doc type HTML declaration is case insensitive. That means you can even write doc type like so. So I'll keep it like the standard one. So HTML generally has multiple tags, but main tags are HTML, which is the main container of all tags. Then we have head tag and body tag. So first let's write our HTML tag. As you can see, each tag has opening and closing uh, standard opening and closing brackets. So in HTML tag, let's write head tag. So this generally considered as a head of the HTML document. It has various tags like title, meta. So the title and meta tags are useful for search engine optimization. They generally help search engine crawlers to identify the website's purpose, identify the website name, as well as if other meta keywords are provided that are also identified by the crawler. So let's add title tag. So what title tag is? Title tag is required tag in each HTML document. This tag defines the title of your document. Let's say I write here hello world from HTML page. Okay. So let's say this is our first uh, HTML document whose title is hello world from HTML page. Let's say how this looks in browser. So we see the hello world from HTML page. So whatever code you write in title tag will be displayed in browser tab, that page tab. So this is generally considered as one of the critical tag for search engine optimization, as well as to let user know about the purpose of the website or the title of that page. So then another tag we have is like meta tag in head. In here there are two attributes. One is name. So let's say I can say course name, like I can say course, and the other is content. Wherein I can say front end developers, let's say front end course for beginners. Okay. So there are other tags as well in head tag. Those are like script tag, or style tag or link tag. Even it is recommended to provide the language in your document. So generally most of the HTML document has language attributes value as English, en, sorry, that's en. And then one more thing provided is in meta tag you should provide the char set of your document. I declare it as UTF-8. What UTF-8 is? UTF-8 is globally accepted character encoding standard. So this standard understands characters from all the languages spoken by humans. So this language attribute of your HTML document as well as char set in the meta tag is kind of recommended to declare. So let's move further to the second part, and which is the most important part of our HTML, because this is the part which the content of this part will be directly displayed in the browser. I'll show you how. So I will write one tag called h1. So h1 is generally part of heading tags in HTML. So these tags are used to show the title in big size, or let's say heading of some paragraph or heading in the page. So I will write here in h1 tag hello world from HTML. I'll save it and let's check how it looks here. You see, hello world from HTML. So basically there are 6 heading tags in HTML. They start from h1 and they end at h6. Let's say I copy this part and I paste it 6 times, and maybe I write some other word, let's say hello world from India, hello world from CSS, hello world from JavaScript, hello world from React JS, hello world from Angular JS. Let's check in our browser. You see, Okay. So have you spotted the mistake? The all the headings are of same size. So mistake is in our code. We have written h1 at all the places. So let's replace them with appropriate tags. Here I take h2, then I take h3, then I take h4, so on and so forth. Let's check now. You see, h1 tag is the uh, bigger tag in comparison with the other tags, and h6 is the smallest one. So purpose of h1 to h6 tags is to show headings in the paragraph, or to show headings in the section, or maybe show heading of the HTML, entire HTML page as well. So this is one of the quite useful and widely used tag, frequently used tag in our HTML pages. So let's see. Let me remove this rest of the part. Now we will see another tag, that is paragraph, used to display the paragraph, which is p tag. And let's say I write something here. This is the beginning of the paragraph. We are demonstrating example of p tag in our HTML document. Okay, let's save and go to our HTML page. You see, so you must have understood that the text for paragraph is comparatively smaller, and it is of standard size. Let's check the another tag, another important tag, which is br tag. We have let's say we have big paragraph. I have copy pasted the same line multiple times. So what happens here, like we are continuously writing the text. What if we want to break the line in between and start from new line? So there is this very handful useful tag called br tag, which you can write in between of your br tag. You see, so this is the beginning of the paragraph. Text is the only line in this current row. Because we have put br tag here, the rest of the part we are demonstrating the example of p tag has started from the new line. So this is kind of very useful utility tag in HTML, and can be used at multiple places as and when required. So then comes the one of the most important tag, that is anchor tag. Anchor tag is used for the hyperlinks. So what are hyperlinks? Hyperlinks are generally the references to the other HTML or web pages on the internet. So they can be from the same website, or they can be from the multiple or different domains and different websites across the world. So let's understand what anchor tag is. Let's say I want to put a link in my web page wherein I want to navigate to youtube.com. Okay, so let's see how to do this. So this is how we write the anchor tag. It has attribute called href, whose value should be valid HTML URL or some domain. So here we are navigating to www.youtube.com. Okay, and this is where we close our tag, and in between we have to give the text to be displayed upon which user can click. So I will write go to youtube.com. Let's check out how this works. So you see here, you can see hyperlink. So I have clicked on it, that's why its color has changed to red. The default color is blue with underline. Later on we will understand how to style our uh, anchor tags, hyperlinks in a much nicer and cool way. So once we click, we will be navigated to youtube.com. See here, this is how the navigation works. So maybe we could have given the HTML URL as well from our website, from our tutorial. But for the time being, we do not have other HTML pages in our directory, because this is the first tutorial we are recording. We do not have HTML page. So I have given the domain address youtube.com to demonstrate the usage of hyperlink. So this was about the hyperlink. So next, and one of the most like this is about alt text. So you can see this HTML documents is full of text. There is headline, there is like there is paragraph, and then there is go to youtube.com hyperlink. So this is all text. How to make our HTML pages more interactive and more catchy and attractive. So there is tag called image, whose name is, let's say, img. Let's say I want to add HTML, some catch image after the hello world from HTML. Maybe I'll write here hello world from cat. So I want to add cat's picture here. Let's download the cat's picture here from the Google Images. I want to get some cute cat. Uh, these are the kittens. Maybe this one. So now how this image tag works. Image tag, you can write it this way, and then there is attribute called src. Src simply stands for source, wherein you can provide the path to your image. So we have downloaded image on our machine, so we have to give the path from local image. So maybe better way, we can put the images, we can create new folder here called images, and I will drag this image. I will drag this the front end academy images, and I place it here. Okay, so here let's navigate to the images directory, then cats.jpg. Now this image tag has two more attributes called width and height. So for the time being, we will mention the width of this cat picture. Let's check out how this looks on the page. See, this is how it looks. Hello world from cat. Maybe I would want to make it little wide. Yeah, hello world from cat. This is our cat. So I feel this is the basics about HTML. HTML document and most important tags in the HTML document. So later on we will understand how to add style sheets and JavaScript files in our HTML document. But till then, uh, I would request you to explore different HTML tags, like let's say for example the link tag or audio tag, article tag, like our work, front end academy's work. So I would love if you subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get regular notifications whenever we upload the new videos. Till then, thank you for watching, and I hope you do some playing around with HTML pages. Thank you, bye.